My day-to-day working has changed quite dramatically since the start of the pandemic. We couldn't see children, we couldn't be in schools, but we still had to be able to provide a service to the children who needed us. What we had to do in the middle of the pandemic is to rethink our whole service delivery, and video consultations have enabled us to do that.
So the benefits that I've seen from the system is that it's much easier for a patient to show you something, and we're able to turn that around as well. So if we want them to put a dressing on a certain way or to move in a certain way, do a certain exercise, we can demonstrate that back. It saves the patient having to come in. We can see them earlier, we can give them beneficial treatment and advice a lot earlier in their condition than we may be able to normally. We found it almost invaluable with that, and we do intend to carry on using it in the future.
We've adapted to using the video consultations quite rapidly, really. It's been really important, and it's enabled us to be able to see children. We've had some lovely feedback from families, and overall families are really happy with us being able to link in with them via the VCs. I've worked as a speech and language therapist in the NHS for 23 years. And this has been the biggest and the most drastic change that I have seen in my entire time in the profession. But it's exciting. It's taking us forward, and it's taken us forward in a very fast pace, which we probably wouldn't have chosen. But what it's actually doing is it's making us think on the spot. It's making us think what we need to do and how we're able to do things for our families. It's very different, and it will bring its challenges because we're asking families to work in a different way, but we know that it's going to be the safest way, the best way, the most appropriate way for how we need to do things in the future.